Hello friends, welcome to FabMinds channel. Today we are going to discuss the multiplication algorithm in computer organization.
Hi, I'm Fabi. Please subscribe my FabMinds channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.
First of all, what is sign magnitude? Right? See here, consider one example plus 7. In computer, each and every data is stored in the binary format. So, the plus is stored as 0 in binary format, 7 is stored as in 0, 1, 1, 1. Similarly, take minus 7. For minus, it will take 1. 7 as it is 0, 111. So, minus 7 is stored as 10111. Now, what are the registers used in the multiplication algorithm? AS, QS and BS are all sign bits. Next, A is carry bit. A is initially set to 0, Q is multiplier, B is multiplicand and counter, SC is counter value used in the multiplication algorithm. And finally, coming to the QN. What is QN? In the Q register, the rightmost bit, the QN bit. Next one, see here, already you know that Q is multiplier, B is multiplicand. Here, final product is stored in AQ. Initially A is 0, here Q is multiplier, B is multiplicand. The final product is stored in these two registers A and Q. And the sign of the product, you are calculating the sign of the product, AS is the final sign and you are calculating the multiplier sign which is QS and multiplicand sign BS. So that is product sign. Coming to the example, consider step 1. You are storing the multiplicand in B register. In our example, what is the multiplicand? Plus 23. Plus 23 is the multiplicand. So plus means what is the sign? 0. We are storing this BS. So in BS it is 0. And what is the 23 binary value? 10111. That is stored in B. So BS value is 0 and B value is 10111. So this is multiplicand that is stored in B. Next, consider step 2. In step 2, you are storing the multiplier in Q. So what is multiplier here? Plus 19. Plus 19 means plus is for 0. So you are storing 0 in QS. And what is the binary value for 19? 10011. That is stored in Q. Coming to the third step, take A value and E value initially 0. So initially A and E are clear to 0. That's why E is 0, A is also 0. Step 4 is the pending register is sequence counter. The sequence counter is number of bits in Q. So here consider number of bits in Q excluding sign bit QS. So don't consider QS. Consider only Q. How many bits in Q? In our example, sequence counter is 5. So what is the binary value for 5? 101. That is stored in SC. Next, how to calculate sign, right? So plus into plus. So here AS sign is QS sign, multiplier sign into multiplicand sign. So here plus into plus, what you will get? Plus. Positive into positive value is always you will get positive value. So plus 23 into plus 19, finally you will get positive product, not the negative product, right? Step 6, calculate the product. Okay, no need to consider the sign bits because sign is already calculated. So consider only magnitudes. So initially, what is E? 0. What is A? What is Q? 10011. 10011. What is sequence counter? 101. Right? Now, check QN value. What is QN? The rightmost bit. If QN is 1, so here QN is 1. So, what is the operation here? EA value is A plus B. That means, for A, we are adding B. 10111. So 10111 you are adding. After adding you will get same 10111 and the carry is 0. Right? This is a 10011 is as it is. Now after applying this step, EA is A plus B. What is the next step? Shift right EAQ. We are shifting 3 registers EAQ. So initially you will place 0. This 0 is shifted to here and 1011. This last 1 is shifted to here 11001 and this last one is discarded. After that, decrease the counter value. Decrease the counter value. SC value is SC minus 1. So 101 is becomes 100, that is 4. Right? Now counter value is equal to 0 or not equal to 0? Not equal to 0. That's why check once again QN value. Here QN value is 1. So once again same step. Right? Add B. So what is B? 10111. 10111. So after adding, we will get here 00010 and you will get carry 1. So 11 10 111 11 11 10 11 10 11 10. Right? So this is same 11001. Right? And then after adding, what is the next step? Shift right of EAQ. So same thing 0 1 0 0 0 1 here 0 1 1 0 0. This last one is discarded. Decrease the counter value. It is 0 1 1 3 0 1 1 3 now. So once again it is not equal to 0. So check QN value. What is QN value here? 0 not 1. If it is equal to 0, there is no addition. Directly shift operation. So perform shift operation 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. The last 0 is discarded. Now the counter value is 2 0 1 0. So once again it is not equal to 0. So go for like this QN. So here QN value is once again 0. So once again shift operation 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1. So last 0 is discarded and the counter value is 0 0 1. So once again it is not equal to 0. Check QN value here. Now QN value is 1. So you have to add B to the A. What is B value? 10111. 10111. After adding, what you will get here? 11011. And the value is 0. So this value is 01011. So after adding, so what you have to do? Shift operation 0 0 1 1 0 1. Next 1 0 1 0 1. The counter value is 0 0 0 0. So the counter value is 0. 0 means end the process. Product is in AQ. Final product here 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is the final product. Right? So you need to verify. Right? So how to verify here? Plus 23 into plus 19. What is the result? Plus 437. Product is 011011 0101. So this is, after converting this into the decimal, you will get 437.